Got some keys for work orders, about 9 of them. You know I'm not doing any make readies today. I'm not doing anything else. I ordered some parts earlier, but now it's time to get busy. Let's go. All right, let's try and recreate the problem. Oh, the oven's pretty greasy. I'm gonna recommend cleaning the oven. There's splatter and oil everywhere. That's why the alarms are going off. I'm not even gonna check the oven. I'm just gonna cancel this. That's the issue. Oven needs to be cleaned. Dishwasher not cleaning dishes. Let's see, why not? You can see right here, the soap. This soap isn't even melting, or it's not disintegrating into the liquid form. The reason for this is they're not running the faucet prior to starting the dishwasher. You need hot water coming out of the faucet before starting the dishwasher for the dishwasher to clean properly. It's stated in every single tech manual. I am gonna, here, look at this. This isn't helping the cause. Not at all. There's one that's completely blocked. Not too bad. I'm gonna clean these up though real quick. This bottom one's blocked too. So I'm just gonna clean these up a bit. Just free up these holes. If you look at that, there's too much food on this plate. You don't gotta rinse the dishes, you do gotta scrape them. This is nasty. This is just recycling food. Gotta clean this too. Kind of wrote a book, but that's what's going on with these two. Barely any water coming out. Water coming out now. Yep. Just missing the screw. Easy fix. I have a good feeling I know what this is on these GE dishwashers. I'm gonna need 2 of these clamps, or at least 1 of them. I hope I'm wrong though, and it's actually leaking from somewhere else, just so it's a little bit more challenging. Towels are wet. Just gonna check this. It's not even draining. They might have stopped it when the water came out. Drain. Oh, look right there. Didn't even have to go far to find that. So I just ran the hose from the back. Now look at this. There's actually room. This snug. You don't want to over tighten this or to crack the plastic. Just give it a tug. That ain't going nowhere. I'm down to the side of the dishwasher. You'll see this when you rerun the hose. But this one, that one comes loose as well. I mean, I barely pulled on that and that came off. I'm just gonna clamp this one too. Moving, that's what you want. Dishwasher's running, we've got no leaks. I'm gonna go ahead and remount this. Here in the maintenance shop, I gotta swap out a deadbolt lock. Now I just need to rekey the smart lock. I'm gonna need a couple things to do this. These are the original keys that came with the new lock. I'm gonna need this, this smart key tool and the key that I'm gonna use to rekey it to. So here's the original key. I'm gonna turn this 90 degrees. And then I'm gonna insert the key into this slot. Remove the key, put my new key in that I want to key it to, and then turn 180 degrees. There we go. Rekeyed. Oh, it's one of these with the emergency ballast. So I know the light's good. It's just that this ballast is bad. And we don't have these in stock. I'm doing the neutral first. Okay, I've got this out of the circuit. Now I just need to wire this ballast back up. Wow, this is so clean. Oh yeah, that's normal. We just gotta put this in. Put this in correctly. This is upside down. Yeah, that's not nothing I'm concerned about. Easy peasy. ring is missing. Yep, there she is. Right, I got our new canister seal. These go on very easy. Bam, just like that. Line this up with the hole and then twist. Not a bad day at all. Got a good 5.5 hours straight of work orders in without being bothered too much. Had to help out a coworker on a window. I wish I could have recorded that one. That was a good one, but unfortunately the resident wasn't home, and I don't really ask to record on specific work orders unless I know the resident personally. But anyways, great Thursday. That's gonna be 2 vlogs for this week. I might try and make another one tomorrow. If some more fun stuff comes in. Tomorrow is Friday. If I don't see you tomorrow, I hope everyone has a great weekend. And until the next vlog, I am Dave. I hope to see you guys there.